Hi, my name is Tero Dragan from AppAppeal. I'm here today with John Cobbs, CEO and co-founder at apartmentlist.com. As you may know, AppAppeal gives AppAwards to the best designed applications in the world. Today I'm happy to announce that the winner for the real estate category is Apartment List. Mr. Cobbs, congratulations to you and your team.
Thank you so much. We're really excited to be featured on AppAppeal and honored by the nomination and the award. Thank you.
You're welcome. What can you tell us about yourself?
Sure. I started, Apartment List with the hope that we could use technology to improve the way that consumers search for apartments in the United States. So we built the industry's first apartment matching engine. What we do is connect to your social network through Facebook, and we know a lot about you. We know what you're a fan of, what you like, where you check in, what your friends like, where they check in, and then we can take that data and help deliver recommendations for apartments to you based upon that. And we also ask you some questions on the site that help our recommender work its magic, like what's your favorite 1980s television show? But we use some heavy duty math to basically deliver you the recommendations that we think you'll like the best.
Okay. And how did you get the inspiration for Apartment List?
We've been pretty emboldened by what folks like Amazon and Pandora have done to e-commerce and music respectively, and using technology to help improve how folks utilize or make decisions in their lives. So we said to ourselves, well, apartment hunting is a much bigger decision, but why can't we use technology to help improve that process as well? And that's what we wanted to do.
Okay. And you won the Best Design App Award. We were most impressed about that rollbox-looking robot, and we were curious, how did you get the idea for that logo?
Oh, we're very fortunate to have a tremendous design team. Our head of product and designer, we're the brains behind that. Listy, our apartment robot. We're very fond of Listy, the apartment recommender, and I wish I could take credit, but credit goes to our designer and product manager, Barb and Kyle.
Okay, he did a great job. What sets apartment lists apart from other similar real estate apps?
Sure. I think our use of technology is the number one thing that sets us apart. What we've essentially done is crowdsource your apartment search. So we're leveraging the answers of our questions and the social network of the people that have come before you to our site to make our future recommendations. So if you find the perfect apartment on Apartment List, you owe a debt of gratitude to the folks that came prior to that. And what we've done is we've built statistical relationships between your answer to questions on our site and how folks have answered historically and which apartments they've chosen. And that's how we've built our recommender. It almost builds a DNA strand for you as a potential tenant and matches you up with the available units in our inventory.
Okay. And can you tell us, after you got the inspiration from Amazon and Pandora, as you previously mentioned, what were the first steps you took to create Apartment List? How did you start?
Well, the first step was we pulled the team into a room and we said, everybody, tell us what you think about searching for apartments. And the resounding feedback was that it's an extremely painful process. It's very disorganized. It can be messy. You've got Post-it notes all over your desk. You've got long email chains back and forth with potential roommates or significant others. And we wanted to take that disorganized mess and pull it all under one roof onto Apartment List. Instead of having 10 tabs open on your browser, you have one tab. So really consolidating that search and removing the pain. And by having the recommendation engine, we've been able to make it not only simple, but also fun.
Indeed. Indeed, you did. And can you tell us where are you heading? Where is Apartment List going? What are your future plans?
Absolutely. We're really excited to continue to build out our core team here at Apartment List. We've got just amazingly talented engineers. We're very fortunate to have them. And what we're going to do is continue to add, 8+ team members to the group. And, our hope is that we can continue to use technology to stay on the cutting edge of how consumers want to search for real estate in the U.S. And that's really the horizon, is continuing to roll out features that we think are going to make consumers' lives easier.
Any interesting feature that you have in plan that probably you're going to release in the foreseeable future?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, those are top secret, right?
Well, if you don't want to disclose that information, you're free to do so, but it's our job to ask.
Absolutely. Happy to disclose. One thing we're really excited about, we are actually in the process of building our mobile application. What we'd like to do is build what we call the Saturday afternoon planner, where you can take your apartment search on the go. So, most of the apartment searches that take place are at a desktop. You're sitting at work, you're typing on your keyboard, you're looking over your shoulder for your boss. We would like you to be able to take that information right with you on the go in the app. So we want to schedule what a day might look like where you can look at all the apartments on your list. We'll schedule all those appointments. You can use our app to take pictures while you're on your apartment search, upload those directly to the application, and then allow other people to see that. So you can share that on Facebook with specific people in your list of friends. So we're really excited about taking the intelligence of the recommender mobile.
Okay, that sounds like a very useful mobile app. Especially since I have to agree with you, most of the searches are performed during work hours. So, apart from this, can you share some advice? Can you give some advice to fellow app developers?
Absolutely. The best advice I can give is be very flexible with your approach. Let the consumers tell you what they want. You can have a room full of 20 bright people, and they don't necessarily speak for the masses. So I'd say, my best advice is really keep your ears open, listen to your consumers, listen to the features that they want, and ultimately you're building something that solves a problem that the consumers are having. So as long as you focus on that, then your heart's in the right place, and you'll be set up for success.
Definitely. Well, we are at AppAppeal are crazy about web apps, and we were wondering, which web apps do you yourself use?
What web apps do I use? My favorite right now is a website called Uber Cab here in San Francisco. They've been in the press a lot lately, but they've got a great app where you can basically hail a cab from the comfort of your apartment, and they give you the phone number of the driver, and it makes the process simple. So I'm a big fan of that app.
Cool, sounds good. Maybe we should implement it in the Netherlands. And
Absolutely.
Anybody you or your company would like to thank for helping you win this award?
We want to thank the team at AppAppeal for the great feedback on our site. We like to think we're motivated folks, but it always helps to hear from folks of similar like mind. Have a vote of confidence for what you're trying to build. So we really appreciate your team pointing it out to your consumer base, and this is I speak on behalf of a team of just phenomenal folks to work with. So this is through and through a team effort, and couldn't be more excited about the future to come with Apartment List.
Nice, we like that. We're happy to review you on our website. And any questions that you or anybody in your team that would like to address to us, to the AppAppeal team?
Sure. Yeah, we'd love to hear kind of what you see as the future for AppAppeal. Where do you want to take your business in 2012?
Well, we want to continue on the same trend. We had a really good year, and well, the year is not over yet, but pretty soon. And we hope to get even further and reach the next milestone, which I'm not sure I'm allowed to disclose.
Fair enough.
But we're slowly making our way to the 3,000 reviewed apps mark, and we're looking forward to that. And of course, who knows what we're gonna do then. For the 2000 mark, we started the AppAwards. For the 3000, just watch us. Keep an eye on us.
Will do. Well, congratulations on that milestone, and we look forward to seeing more things from AppAppeal.
Thank you very much. Thank you for this interview as well, and congratulations again on winning the Best Design App Award for the real estate category. We wish you a good day, and again, congratulations to you and your wonderful team.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Have a nice day. Bye.